We got one of the biggest DeFi protocols on the Binance Smart Chain. Welcome back to the Millionaires Club. Today we're going to be diving down into Pancake. If you haven't heard of Pancake, then you need to stick around for the whole video. We're going to go ahead and dive down into some important information, and then we're going to be talking a little bit about the exchange. So the big question is today is, what is Pancakeswap? Well, Pancakeswap is the biggest. It is literally the biggest DeFi protocol on the Binance Smart Chain and one of the most popular DeFi projects in general. Like I stated, if you don't know Pancakeswap, then I don't know where you have been at all, especially in the cryptocurrency sector. It offers plenty of great features, including a DEX, a launchpad, a lottery, a NFT market, and so much more. The application kickstarted the growth of the DeFi ecosystem of the BSC blockchain and continues to be its largest application. Let me say that again, you guys. Okay, let me say this again. That the application, we're talking about Pancakeswap, kickstarted the growth of the DeFi ecosystem. And I don't think that this was just for the Binance Smart Chain. I actually think this was for a whole bunch of other smart chains as well. So for Pancakeswap, it is a decentralized exchange. It is the largest DEX on its blockchain and has attracted many users due to its low fees and variety of tokens that the Binance Smart Chain offers. The DEX uses liquidity pools and a AMM like Uniswap to set its prices and offers simple trading, very easy. The providers of the necessary liquidity are not only earning trading fees of 0.25%, but additionally also the native cake token if they stake their LP tokens in a yield farm. A fee of 0.05% per trade is also used to buy back and burn cake tokens as sort of a dividend payment for cake holders. You guys, this is all around genius, especially for this DeFi project. The platform offers initial farm offerings, which are basically a type of launchpad where the developers of a new D app can sell their new token for cake to raise funds. And then there are syrup pools. This is where developers can promote their project by letting cake holders earn the new token for free. Some syrup pools are also distribute new cake tokens to stakers of cake and other tokens. Definitely love to hear that. So for Pancakeswap, it also makes earning cryptocurrency fun. They have what is known as a lottery game. This is where people can buy tickets with cake tokens, and 20% of the cake used for that is being burned, and the rest is pulled together and earned by the winning tickets. The lottery game starts every single 12 hours, and about 5,000 new cake tokens are injected into the prize pool on average to incentivize participation in the game. Users can also make bets on whenever the price of BNB in USDT will rise or fall within the next 5 minutes. And then we got the last but not least, we got the NFT marketplace. This is with a lot of unique artwork. We know that there's a lot of marketplaces that provide NFTs, and most NFTs are just overpriced JPEGs. However, still plenty of people like to toy with them, and Pancakeswap has much lower fees than any other marketplace, especially whenever it comes to Ethereum. So the big question is why is Pancakeswap important? Well, I just told you guys a lot of things, and with all of these features, this makes Pancakeswap a true DeFi behemoth. Okay, this is massive, guys. Binance Smart Chain will most likely stay its most used D app for a long time. The only downside with Pancakeswap is the fact is that BSC chain itself is centralized. So by extension, if anything happens to BSC, this means that the protocol is also centralized for Pancakeswap. So that is the only downside that we have here. But other than that, you guys, Pancakeswap has a lot to incentivize users to basically swap out tokens, not just swap out tokens, but also win tickets, win farming, win a lottery, NFTs, so much that they have for the marketplace. If you guys don't know, as stated, we're talking about the cake token. The cake is the government's token of the Pancakeswap. It's to give holders the right purpose and to vote on changes to the platform. The token is also used to pay for various fees and reward the liquidity providers. So there is no max supply, and the users keep earning new tokens by staking their LP tokens, by staking cake and other tokens, on syrup pools, by winning the lottery. There was a fair launch, which means that the entire supply was distributed to users directly since day one. Part of the fees for trading, initial farm offerings, and the creation and selling of NFTs, purchase of lottery tickets, and prediction markets are being used for burning. So I love this project, you guys. I love everything that they have to offer. I think this is, as stated, a behemoth, a DeFi behemoth, especially whenever it comes to the Binance Smart Chain. If we go ahead and dive down into Pancakeswap, pretty sure you guys know what this looks like. Current price is sitting at $6.42. You guys can see where it states that here is the lottery. It says win $216,000 in lottery, you guys. So if you guys are interested in this, I mean, all you have to do is just click pay now, and you got to connect your wallet. Very, very important. You can use MetaMask, you can use Coinbase, you can use Binance, whatever the case may be. Just click on play now, and it will take you exactly where you need to go, buy some tickets. Very easy, okay? So definitely love how Pancakeswap is set up. The moon is where the pancakes are made of. As stated, you can connect your wallet. You can also trade now. There is a lot of different tokens here that you can swap whenever it comes to Pancakeswap. So be sure that you guys check out this platform. There's a lot of things. We got trade, we got earn, you got the farming, right? You can farm, you can win, as stated, for the lottery, and then you have NFTs. You can even take a look at all of their collections whenever it comes to the NFTs. So a massive amount of things going on for Pancakeswap. So I am definitely entertained by this one. I think they have a long way to go, and I think they will continue to grow. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a great day. Let us know what you think, and ciao.